What you are about to watch is a video of 3,500 Uber employees being laid off due to the coronavirus. Share this video if you think this is not right.
For the foreseeable future, our business will be smaller as fewer people are taking trips, and our size will have to be rationalized based on business need. Right now, the rides business is down by more than half due to COVID-19. With trip volume down, the difficult and unfortunate reality is there is not enough work for many frontline customer support employees. As a result, we are eliminating 3,500 frontline customer support roles. Your role is impacted, and today will be your last working day with Uber. You will remain on payroll until the date noticed in your severance package. I know that this is incredibly hard to hear. No one wants to be on a call like this. With everyone remote and a change of this magnitude, we had to do this in a way that allowed us to tell you as quickly as possible so that you did not hear it from the rumor mill. I also wanted to deliver this news personally and just take a brief moment to thank you for your contributions to Uber. I know that this is a lot to take in. I'm going to turn it over shortly to HR, who is going to talk through the next steps and what this means for you. There's no need to take notes. You will receive a follow-up email from HR. Camilla?
So as Rafi mentioned, you will receive an email from HR, and there will be details around your severance package, such as information on your benefits, your outplacement services, and other important information. So when you receive this email from HR, make sure you do two things. Number one, update your personal information in Workday so we can reach you out for further details. And number two, forward this information to your personal email address. We will be cutting off system access shortly, within 1 hour from this webinar.
I know that you are all feeling many emotions right now. This decision was an incredibly difficult one to make, as we know how many lives are affected. We're going to do everything we can to support you. You can reach us at uberhrhelp@uber.com. You will also get this information in your follow-up email. Thank you again, thank you for your contributions to Uber.
Thank you, everyone. And we're closing this call now.